to do. What to do? I don't know what to make. This is a problem. Huh. Why didn't I think of this earlier? I'm gonna make a tiny vise. Because why not? I used to like connect the dots. Oh wow, it's a vise. Wow, I managed to make an elephant. Alright, you know what? The last one was small, but I think we can go small. Oh, it's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna get out of this exotic scrap. Remember in my last video when I said I wouldn't use any exotic because I was too scared? Well, it's time to change that. Alright, this is way too loose, so I'm just gonna replace that nail in there with a thicker one. So, like that. It should be better. I thought I was gonna make this into a keychain, but then I figured that if someone sees me with this in my backpack, that's like pretty big. But this should be a bit better. And I got this like chain from I don't even know where. I didn't even intend for this to happen, but it works perfectly as a phone stand. It perfectly balances. yeah, these came out so much better than I was expecting. And they actually work. They're like, so... I don't know why. I love tiny recreations of big things. And this just... Oh, I love it. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, I guess. Alright, see you later.